Unit 2, Lesson 9, Student Example D. In this example, we have to FOIL our two binomials first and then simplify by collecting like terms. So the first step is to expand to get rid of brackets. The first set of brackets, because it's squared, means that we have the same bracket multiplied with itself. So we have x over 3 minus 1 times x over 3 minus 1, and I'm going to bring back down my minus, and then x minus 3 times x plus 1. So now we want to FOIL both sets of our brackets to expand to get rid of them. So x over 3 times x over 3 gives us x squared over 9. X over 3 times negative 1 is negative x over 3. Negative 1 times x over 3 is negative x over 3. And negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. When we look at the second set of brackets, I'm going to bring down that subtract sign. We're going to FOIL, but I'm going to leave my answer in brackets still. X times x gives us x squared. X times 1 is plus x, negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times 1 gives us negative 3. Now we want to collect like terms, so we end up with x squared over 9 minus 2x over 3 plus 1. So by collecting like terms now, we have x squared over 9 minus 2x over 3 plus 1. And in our second set of brackets, we still have that minus sign. I'm going to keep my number in brackets. We've got x squared. X minus 3x gives us minus 2x minus 3. Now we want to assume that there's a negative 1 in front of this bracket so that we can expand to get rid of that set of brackets. I'm going to bring my first numbers down again, so we end up with x squared over 9 minus 2x over 3 plus 1. We're going to multiply to expand to get rid of that second bracket. Negative 1 times x squared gives me minus x squared. Negative times a negative gives us plus 2x. And negative 1 times negative 3 gives us plus 3. Now we can combine our like terms again. One of our like terms has a denominator, so we want to write our other number in the same denominator. So our x squareds have a denominator of 9. I'm going to rewrite this as and multiply both the numerator and denominator by 9 over 9. And on my 2x, I'm going to multiply both by top and the bottom by 3 to rewrite this as a fraction. So now we're left with x squared over 9 minus 2x over 3 plus 1 minus 9x squared over 9 plus 3 times 2 is 6x over 3 plus 3. Now we can combine like terms because we can just worry about our tops. Our x squareds are still going to be over 9. 1 minus 9 gives me negative 8x squared over 9. Negative 2 and plus 6 gives us plus 4x over 3. And 1 plus 3 gives us plus 4.